guys, I am wearing shorts. In this video, I'm going my room's clean. David just texted me. Do the emoji, what describes my emoji life video. And I'm really hyper. Hold on, let me put some music on. Is the rocket ship emoji, which I don't have video editing skills, so it's just gonna pop up like.
Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, yeah. Because it expresses my gratitude. Jeez, that's really loud. My gratitude for flying up in the air. I'm kidding. Yeah. Second emoji. Oh, is the corn emoji, which is going to not video edit skills right now.
Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, because that is a plane. I don't even like corn, but one time these people used to sell corn on my driveway, and I was like, hey, we should be friends. And then I became friends with them in Canada, and their corn was so good, like you could eat it without even like having to cook it and stuff. So I think that really represents my life in a way. Okay, third emoji. Okay, the third emoji is the chicken leg emoji. Bam.
Whoa! Whoa!
Bam. Because it reminds me of friendship and my friendship with Nicole, and how I'm grateful for my friends, all of my friends, and the impact they've had. Whoa. I actually don't even like meat or chicken legs, so okay. Woo. Fourth emoji is the plant, little plant emoji right here.
Whoa! Whoa!
Because I really like nature and being in nature and touching nature and putting my hands in the dirt and just that looked a little bit yeah, I just really like nature and plants and things that are green because it reminds me of life and how I'm so grateful to be just alive, because that's amazing. And this little piece of hair is really bothering me. I'm gonna go. Anyway, crap, it's not working. Oh, ow, that hurt my knees. Ah. Ooh, the fifth emoji that describes my life is the canoe emoji, which is
Whoa! Whoa!
right there. Because it reminds me of friendship, and it reminds me of my love for adventuring, canoeing. Is that how you canoe? Is that even, or it's a kayak in the river. You know, I always hit my face on these. I just hit my foot. I hope you enjoyed this really well edited video, and look forward to Coco's next video if I put this on our collab channel. I mean, I'll probably put links and stuff in the description. That takes a lot of time, and I'm a lazy mother trucker, so I don't even know. Carole King, by the way. It's me in a good mood. I'm avoiding all my responsibilities by making this video. Okay, I love you guys. Not really. I'm kidding. I do. I love everyone. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Bye. Whee! Wah! Okay, wait. Jesus.